Brand new deals just dropped. Did posted glitches. Get the adjustable wrenches, hook set, the dual supercharger. New Milwaukee Black Friday deals, holiday deals just dropped at the stores, at the Home Depots. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I will leave affiliate links down below in the description section of this video to all these products, or at least as much as I can. And also down on the left hand corner, I will leave the link there for you for the product. Let's go ahead and start. So basically, start here with the receptacle tester voltage detector. This is 2488. Now, personally, I do already own one of these from Klein Tools. And if I were to see this, I would have bought this in a heartbeat. I think I paid more than $24 for mine. You got $49.98 for the Packout. This is an organizer for your wall, for your garage. You can put your power tools. You can put a charger up there, whatever you need to do. Especially for that drill and impact driver that you use all the time. And of course, you get a back plate with metal screw holes there. All right, the Packout, guys. This is a killer deal still on the Packout. You do get the $239 set with the discounts and everything out the door. Well, not out the door, but you know, plus tax. Yes, unfortunately, there are no glitches. Yes, I did post the glitches 2 different times. I posted glitches. People were getting these boxes for like $20, $30. That was just a crazy glitch. Those glitches, when I post, they do sell out in minutes. Sometimes they fix it. Home Depot does fix it. If you guys don't want to miss any of those glitches, make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit the bell. Hit the like button of this video so you guys will get all the notifications. Alright, here's another 179 impact driver, drill driver. These are M12 fuel. Top of the line M12. We got $99 impact driver or drill driver kits and $79 for a 2-pack of batteries. Those are the kits right there. That's actually a pretty nice kit, the impact driver and drill driver. I personally do have the impact driver. That's the one I use the most. Yeah, because the other ones are much bigger. All you need is just that much power. Very powerful for the size. You got $29.97 for the 23-piece shockwave. $19.97 your choice of any of these. You got the utility knives. The 27 one is one of my favorites here. That's it right there. Yes, I got this from last year, and yeah, it's a lot of bits inside this little screwdriver, and everything fits in there perfectly. Works fine, and that's the way it looks on the back. So you guys will get a better picture of it. And this is the hex key set. Now I really love the way the Milwaukee labeled pretty much all the set here. They got you SAE and metric, and then you got some really nice bright numbers on there. You got $747 for the safety glasses, $14.97 for the pick set, and $24.97 for the sockets. This is square sockets. We'll go over them in a second. This is a pick hook set here. This is for the smaller stuff. If you guys do smaller projects, smaller electronics, that's the one for you. You got $24.97 for that. The deep well sockets with 4 flat sides. I call them square sides, or squares, or square sockets, however you want to call it. You can put a wrench on that thing and get some more leverage. That's the way I look at it on this side. But they do sell metric and SAE, as you guys do see right there, labeled in color. You got an adjustable wrench, a 2-piece, $24.97 smooth jaw grip pliers. They're all both, and they got $39.97 for the 3-piece close quarters tubing cutters. Now that's a really nice kit. I think I'm gonna end up picking up one of those because you never know when you're gonna, we don't have space basically inside a wall or something. You got the adjustable wrenches with the red Milwaukee label. That's a really nice detail for these tools. And same thing with these, red labeled Milwaukee and engraved. It looks like, I don't know if they're stamped or engraved. And then these, you got the close quarters. These are really nice, 3 different sizes. Pretty much all you're going to need in a case so you don't lose it. Add it to your plumbing kit. All right, we got the buy one, get one free. These are still solid deals. There's a lot of good deals here hidden. You got $199. We'll get you the 2-battery starter kit, which is the cheapest. The subcompact or the compact, $299 will get you one free tool. $399 for the top of the line impact driver hammer drill with the hard case, 2-battery charger. $399 will get you a free tool. There's a lot of good ones here, including that brand new panel light for $179. The blower, the inflator. That's a really nice inflator. I do have that personally. The jigsaw router, angle grinder, D handle, rotary hammer, the light, or yeah, well, we already went to the panel light. The battery, that's the 5 amp hour battery, and then you got the oscillating tool, circular saw, job site radio, and the reciprocating saw. I do have that reciprocating. I think I got the bigger one. Yeah, I got the bigger one. All right, on this is a super savings. You get the dual port charger or dual bay charger. You got a 2 pack of 3 amp hour batteries. Yeah, 3 amp hours for 99. It's hard to see. You got a nailer, a brad nailer for 249. You got a framing nailer for 329. Either 30 degree or 21 degree. A 4 port or a 4 pack of batteries with the 6 port charger for 499. That's a killer deal on that one. All right, on to some clearance. We got this one. This is it's pretty much N95 mask here for $17 and from 21. This is a great dust mask, by the way. For chemicals, I would not use one of those. You got electrician's hand tool, 3-piece, 24.88. This is a really nice set. It's actually a pretty good deal. It's less than $10 a piece. That is a killer deal on this 11-in-1 screwdriver. All right, these are the brand new deals. Yes, brand new deals just dropped at the Home Depot. These are the Forge, brand new Forge batteries. They got the BOGOs on these guys. Time to stock up on these. Time to do the hack. Run and get them because these will sell out, especially the better tools. The newer tools will sell out. All right, let's go ahead and start here from the left. You got $179 for the Forge 6 amp hour battery pack. Now, if you guys compare it to the other deal that's on the right, it is not worth it, guys. Do not get it. I will slap you in the face if you get that one. Just kidding. But I'll explain why. And then you got the $449 for the table saw. That's a really good deal on that one. It does include a 12 amp hour battery, high output battery, and a charger. All right, starting from the free tools available for this hack, you are able to select from the fuel circular saw, the hatchet, the new, yes, that is the new dual bay supercharger. I would definitely go with that one. It does include an 8 amp hour battery already in it. So if you guys hack it, you're going to pay around $120, $110 per battery, per tool, if you want to call a battery and the charger by themselves. To the right of that, we do have the 2-gallon compact quiet compressor. I heard mixed reviews about that one. Let us know in the comment section if you guys got any of these tools. Are they trash? Are they good? $379 for that one. You got a hammer drill, which is excellent. That's $299 with 2 batteries charger. And the legendary, yes, that is the brand new legendary 12 amp hour battery. It is available for a hack. $140 is going to be around your price if you guys hack it. Go get it. This is the best way to stock up on those batteries. All right, here to the right, you got the braking grinder. This is the brand new 4.5-6-inch grinder with paddle switch. And then you got the super saw reciprocating saw. That's the one that I got. The SDS rotary hammer, the compact bandsaw, the high torque impact wrench with friction ring, and the 5-tool combo kit. That is a really good deal for that 5-tool combo kit. It does go down to around $400 a little bit more than $400. Pretty much $100 per tool. Plus you're getting the 2 free batteries, and you're getting the light for free if you want to call it, a tool. So that's an excellent deal if you want to hack those. Dual supercharger does have fans for the brand new technology for the Forge batteries. Talk about Forge batteries. Here is one of them. That's an 8 amp hour battery for $199. You get that supercharger and the 8 amp hour battery for $349. And then of course the legendary 12. That is a beast of a battery. I do have that personally. That thing's amazing, guys. Lots of power in that, beneath that plastic. You got $299 for the hammer drill kit. You got the hatchet. This is able to be hacked. You got the table saw, $449. Does include that 12 and the rapid charger. And then you got the compressor there, $349. Already sold out. But yeah, guys, there should be more stuff rolling in, but make sure you guys shop early because they will sell out. All right, you got the SDS rotary hammer. This is the 1-inch, $349. And then you got the high torque impact wrench. Yes, that's it. The high torque impact wrench, that's available for a hack as well. I did a video I posted. And then you got the bandsaw as well on that one. Yes, guys, the fuel 10-inch dual bevel compact miter saw. It is available with the battery and charger. Not just any battery. It does have a high output battery, and it does have rapid charger. So that's an excellent miter saw. Definitely check it out. It's a dual bevel as well. Got $479 for the 4-tool combo kit. Those are, I believe, those are brushless impact driver and drill driver. And then you got brush reciprocating saw and circular saw. Same thing with the circular saw on the top. You got a compact for $199 impact driver or drill driver, and if you want both for $179. You got a 2-pack of 3s for $99. Angle grinder, that's a brushed angle grinder, or rubber floodlight, which is in the top of inverter. So definitely check those out. The rocket light is not a good deal for $179. It's not a good deal. We've seen hacks before. They get closer to $110, $120. Alright, I'll leave you guys the links to most of these tools down below in the description section of the affiliate links, and no extra cost to you. So you guys get the best prices. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holidays, for more glitches. When they drop, I post. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.